In what ways did the Greeks influence our society today?
They influence our society.
Tamara, help him.
Well, it says even today carve scenes of slabs of stone.
So what we just read about, the whole thing was about stones.
No.
How did the Greeks influence our society today?
I'm wondering if it would help to look at their jots and the things that they underlined on that page.
So I know we underlined this thing about the Capitol building. I know we underlined something about sculptures. I'm wondering what those two things maybe have in common that make us think, how do the Greeks influence our society today? I'm looking at buildings and sculptures. So Greeks influence our society in what way? Well, Mike.
Greek society. One way is
What do the buildings and sculptures have in common? Makes me think how the Greeks changed our world today. What is it that they're influencing?
Ooh.
What? Andrew?
I agree with Mike because it says right that in paragraph 3 it says what as statues are influenced by ancient Greek art.
So I'm reading, even though it lists all this stuff, these two paragraphs are about how the Greeks influence our what? Paula?
Our society.
Our art. Let's write that down on the side. Because both these paragraphs, I'm reading about buildings here, and I'm reading about sculptures here. And I'm thinking those two things make me think that the Greeks helped influence our art. Let's write that down. I'm going to just put a box around that so I know most of this page is about art. Even though this paragraph is about buildings and this paragraph is about sculptures, both paragraphs are about what?
Art.
Art. Everyone should have that jotted down. Building, sculptures, art. Notice my jot isn't lots of sentences. I'm not saying all the buildings, all the sculptures. I'm literally just writing one word.